Think electric cars are too expensive, slow, and hard to charge? Think again. Today's EVs go 250 to 350 miles per charge, plenty for daily use. While upfront costs seem high, you'll save on gas, repairs, and even qualify for tax breaks. No oil changes or engine issues, just basic maintenance like tires and software updates. In fact, there are now 150,000 plus charging stations across the US, and apps make them easy to find. Plus, EVs produce less pollution and will only get cleaner over time. And as for speed, some go 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. Electric cars aren't the future. They're already here. Thinking about switching? For more exclusive tips, follow us on social media or visit our website today.